Hey guys, what is up? So, I'm at Lachlan's house. He is actually starting his YouTube channel. And as you can see, he's in his motorbike clothes. I'm not, because I'm at his house. It was recently his birthday, so happy birthday. Yeah, comment down below, say happy birthday. He actually got this bike for his birthday. It's a TDR 125. And then, jinx. And then, I'm not racing, but I'm going on this F110. So, yeah, we're just going to, go up his paddock and just ride the motorbikes and stuff and film each other. So, let's do it. Hey guys, that's welcome. Here's his bike that I'm using. This is like his backyard. I guess yeah, okay. So he's got a jump here. There's an ant nest, and then there's like a little bump here. I'm gonna jump here, and then if you come all the way around here, there's like a berm or whatever they're called. But lots of people come around it. And then there's stuff here. That's pretty big. But Lockie will get this right here.